Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how smartphones are made step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
The automated process ensures every microcomponent is perfectly balanced, optimizing both performance and efficiency across the board. Every smartphone is carefully assembled and tested to ensure performance and reliability. Every smartphone is tested to meet strict quality standards before shipment.
And that's how smartphones are made in nextgen, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.